Good morning vlog. It is bright as fuck and I just woke up from Brian's house, so I'm gonna head home and upload the vlog. It's been uploaded really late today though, so I'm sorry about that. So we're home. I'm dressed. I'm wearing the same shirt just because it's really hot and I don't want to wear dark colors. And yeah, I got my sad hat on and Brian's here and we gotta go buy something, so we're gonna do that before I go to work today. I got an extra hour than yesterday wasn't 3 to 8, it was 3 to 7. Today's 3 to 8, so oh god, me and Brian are somewhere weird again, trying to pick something up. Yeah, I don't know what we're doing after this.
I don't know either. Let's go smoke a blunt.
I'm straight, you can go have fun with that. So I just got showered. I just showered. I'm getting dressed for work now. I'm running a little bit late just because I'm more comfortably dressed right now, but I was busy, so yeah. I'm ready. Let's go. So I just got home from work, and in the garage is a new dog. This is not Boris. This is his new girlfriend. Hey.
Roxy.
Hey. Oh, okay, lick the lens. Yes. Go for it. She looks just like him. The new dog showed up. I tried to leave to come eat with Carlo, but this one can't go out. The girl who's older than me can't go out. It's a little sad.
No, it's not.
If I made it on time, maybe. No.
Yeah, if it didn't come an hour later. Stick to your.
I had to change Brian's tire just as I was leaving her house, and that's not my fault. He had a flat or whatever, so.
Call AAA.
He doesn't have AAA. They don't know me. Your dad didn't see. My leg's stuck.
Is that you? So you get fully hurt feet.
My leg got stuck.
Why are you whispering?
Carla fed me tamales her grandma made, and they were the best shit ever. She doesn't like them because
They're nasty. They're spicy.
I hope your grandma sees this so you can she can hear you talking shit. You're so mean.
Did you get him? Well, that's not gonna come out. Wait, it's gonna be bad.
She just tied my hair and what the?
Wait, we can use the bobby pin to fix that. You know what? Just don't.
Guys, look at her nails. They look really pretty.
Pink, they match my toes.
They look really pretty. She's fucking cute.
A lot of decisions and mistakes that Vince has made in terms of your relationship with him, I think have been sadly very
You're gonna kill him.
influenced by this dark, manipulative force that's been in his life for the past 2 years. He's really been taken advantage of and hurt by this.
You hit me in the nose.
Carla's mean.
Thanks for reading. Well, that was pretty intense.
I'm just honest.
The really sad part is that now that he's alive.
You can't take my.
So as I'm editing the vlog right now, I noticed it was really short, and that I didn't really vlog much and I didn't do the outro, so outro right now, come back tomorrow, and tomorrow I will pack the vlog with a lot of footage, I promise. Bye bye.